What type of tissue is blood? Option A, loose connective tissue. Option B, dense connective tissue. Option C, mucoid connective tissue. Option D, specialized connective tissue. The correct answer is option D, specialized connective tissue. Blood is specialized fluid connective tissue. It consists of plasma, a fluid matrix, and the formed elements, which are the erythrocytes or red blood cells, leucocytes are white blood cells, and thrombocytes are platelets. What percentage of blood is plasma? Option A 90%, option B 60%, option C 55%, option D 20%. The correct answer is option C 55%. Plasma, which is an element of blood, constitutes 55% of it. The rest 45% consists of the formed elements, the RBCs, the WBC, and the platelets. Plasma is star-colored and viscoid fluid. What percentage of plasma is proteins? Option A 22 to 25%, option B 50 to 55%, option C 6 to 8%, option D 15 to 18%. The correct answer is option C 6 to 8%. Plasma, which is an element of blood, constitutes 55% of it. Plasma is star-colored and viscoid fluid. 6 to 8% of plasma is made up of proteins, while 90 to 92% of plasma is made up of water. Which of these is not major protein of plasma? Option A keratin, option B fibrinogen, option C globulin, option D albumin. The correct answer is option A keratin. 6 to 8% of plasma is made up of proteins, while 90 to 92% of plasma is made up of water. The major protein present in plasma are fibrinogen, globulins, and albumins. Keratin is not a major protein of plasma. What is serum composed of? Option A blood without plasma, option B plasma without clotting factors, option C plasma without minerals, option D plasma without proteins. The correct answer is option B plasma without clotting factors. Serum is composed of plasma, which is devoid of clotting factors. Normally plasma contains 6 to 8% proteins and 90 to 92% of water. It also contains minerals, biomolecules, and clotting factors. What percentage of blood contains the formed elements? Option A 90%, option B 55%, option C 45%, option D 20%. The correct answer is option C 45%. 45% of blood contains the formed elements, while 55% of the blood is plasma. The formed elements are erythrocytes or red blood cells, leucocytes are white blood cells, and thrombocytes are platelets. Where are the erythrocytes formed in adults? Option A red bone marrow, option B liver, option C spleen, option D muscles. The correct answer is option A red bone marrow. Erythrocytes are also known as red blood cells or RBC. In adults, erythrocytes are formed in the red bone marrow. They are formed from hematopoietic stem cells via process known as erythropoiesis. How much hemoglobin is normally present in 100 ml of blood? Option A 6 to 8 gram, option B 2 to 3 gram, option C 20 to 25 gram, option D 12 to 16 gram. The correct answer is option D 12 to 16 gram. Hemoglobin is a complex ion containing protein present in erythrocytes or red blood cells. It is red in color and hence gives erythrocyte its red color. 12 to 16 of hemoglobin is present in 100 ml of blood. What is the average number of leukocytes per cubic mm of blood? Option A 10,000 to 20,000, option B 5 to 5.5 million, option C 6,000 to 8,000, option D 30 to 300 to 1,000. The correct answer is option C 6,000 to 8,000. The formed elements of blood are erythrocytes or red blood cells, leucocytes are white blood cells, and thrombocytes are platelets. The average number of leukocytes per cubic mm of blood is 6,000 to 8,000. Eosinophil is area type of agranulocytes, true or false? Option A true, option B false. The correct answer is option B false. Leukocytes are white blood cells are two types, granulocytes and agranulocytes. Neutrophils, basophils and eosinophils are the granulocytes, while monocytes and lymphocytes are agranulocytes. Which of these are most abundant in blood? Option A eosinophil, option B basophils, option C monocytes, option D neutrophils. The correct answer is option D neutrophils. Out of all different types of leukocytes present in blood, neutrophils are the most abundant in blood. They constitute 60 to 65% of the total number of white blood cells. They are phagocytic cells. Which of these are phagocytic? Option A eosinophils, option B lymphocytes, option C monocytes, option D basophils. The correct answer is option C monocytes. Monocytes are and neutrophils are phagocytic white blood cells or leukocytes. These cells engulf and destroy foreign particles and various phagocytic organisms by the process of phagocytosis. Which of these chemicals is not secreted by basophil? Option A histamine, option B serotonin, option C ghrelin, option D heparin. The correct answer is option C ghrelin. Basophils are types of white blood cells or leukocytes. They constitute 0.1 to 1% of total number of white blood cells. They participate in inflammatory reactions, secrete histamine, serotonin, heparin. Which of these cells are allergic reactions? Option A eosinophils, option B monocytes, option C neutrophils, option D lymphocytes. The correct answer is option A eosinophils. Eosinophils are associated with allergic reactions. They constitute 2 to 3% of total number of white blood cells. They result in infections. They also have anti-parasite and bacterial activity. Which of these are thrombocytes formed from? Option A erythrocytes, option B megakaryotypes, option C T lymphocytes, option D B lymphocytes. The correct answer is option B megakaryotypes. Thrombocytes or blood platelets are formed. The correct answer is option B megakaryocytes. Thrombocytes or blood platelets are formed from megakaryocytes, which are special cells present in bone marrow. Thrombocytes are cell fragments which are involved in the clotting factors.